Hello everyone. In this video, let us solve one case study problem of 8th CBSE mathematics subject. Because case study questions are very common in CBSE pattern, and these type of problems are also asked in many competitive examinations. That's why I am focusing on these type problems also. Let us quickly move into our today's video. Here the question is: in the summer, a survey was conducted among some people about their favorite drinks. The following pie chart shows the data. That means this is the pie chart which shows the data of some people about their favorite drinks. Based on this pie chart, you have to answer the given questions. If 300 people like coffee, here the total number of people who likes coffee is already given. That means 25% of coffee, total number of people on which the survey was conducted is 25% means 300. Here total number of people who likes coffee is given. 300 people likes coffee. Then the number of people on which survey was conducted is. That means you have to answer, or you have to find out the total number of people on which the survey was conducted by using this given data. Here the 25%. Here the short trick is 25% is given. 25% means 300. How to find out the total number of people? Total always indicates 100%. So 100 into 300 by, this is the short trick. All these type of problems. 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 threes are 12. That means 1200 people. Option C is the correct answer. 1200 people. The total number of people are 1200 on which the survey was conducted. So the next question is the ratio of number of people who like coffee to the total number of people. That means you have to find out the ratio. Very simple. Ratio means coffee to the total number of people. Total number of people who like coffee is 300 divided by total number of people is 1200. 3 ones are 3 fours are. That means 1 is to 4. There is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 is the correct answer. The next question is, let me erase this one. I think first two questions are very simple. The next question is third one. The central angle in the pie chart for the people who like cold drinks is. In pie chart, the central angle formula is there. Central angle is equals to data by total into 360. This is the formula in which we can use to find out the central angle, or the data, or the total number of people. You can use this formula to find out any three values. These three values: central angle, data, and also total values. But here they ask to find out the central angle of cold drinks. We have to find out the central angle of cold drinks, but the data of cold drinks is not given, so we have to find out. Cold drinks percentage is given 15%. That means 15% of total is 1200. 15 by 100 into 1200, 0. 12 into 15, you will get 12 into 15. The value of 12 5 is 60, 180. I think 180. Total number of people who likes cold drinks is given, is found out. That means 180 number of the total number of people who likes cold drinks is 180. Using this data, you can find out the central angle. Now central angle is equals to, data is 180, total is 1200 into 180, sorry 360. Okay, 0 gets cancelled out. Here also get 12 ones are 12 threes are 18 threes are 54. That means central angle of the people who like cold drinks is 54 degree. The next last question is, how many more people like tea than cold drinks? Here it is also simple one. Wait, how many more people like tea than cold drinks? First we have to find out the total number of people who likes tea. Here the percentage of people who likes tea is 30%. That means first you have to find out 30% of 1200. 30 by 100 into 1200. 12 threes are 36. That means 360. The total number of people who likes tea is 360. And also we have to find out the total number of people who likes cold drinks. But in the previous question we already found out that the total number of people who likes cold drinks is 180. Total number of people who likes cold drinks is 180. Therefore how many more people likes tea than cold drinks? That means you have to subtract cold drinks from tea. You will get 180. C is the correct answer. Okay, these type of case study problems are also given in many competitive examination. So in order to solve these type of problems, we have to remember all the formulas, basic formulas. These, that means the case study, central angle formula is data by total into 360. This is a basic formula of data handling. So based on this basic formulas also, so many questions will be asked in competitive examinations. So I think this video may help you more in upcoming annual examinations. Thank you everyone.